Hi everyone, this is Zubair. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add Windows 10 in VirtualBox or in the virtual machine. In previous video, I spoke about what is virtual machine, what's benefit of using virtual machine, how you download or install in Windows 10 machine. So I discussed these topics in previous video. I will keep the previous video in the below description. Okay, now in this video I will show you how you add Windows 10 in the VirtualBox. If you already installed Windows 10, you can just go to search bar and type VirtualBox. It will come out, then click open. When you open, you will see this interface. When the VirtualBox open, you will see this interface. So to create new, just go ahead, click new, write what you want. You can just type Windows 10. I want to add Windows 10, so Windows 10, and then here is folder where you want to save all your files, Windows 10 files. So this is the default folder, but if you want to change, you can just press click others, and you can put in pictures, or you can put in the download folders, whatever folder you choose. For me, I will leave it as default. Here ISO files, image. ISO image is the Windows 10 ISO image. You can select from here, but we will do it later. And here is type, what type of operating system we are going to add in this virtual machine. So for me, we are going to add Windows 10. So I will choose Microsoft Windows. There is many types of. We have Linux, we have IMB, we have Mac OS. So for now, I am going to add Windows 10. So I will choose Microsoft. And the second one is Virgin. There is many types of versions in Windows 10. So we have Windows 10 64-bit, Windows 10 32-bit. So I will choose Windows 10 64-bit. Then click next. Then here we have memory. How much memory you are going to give? I will give now. Sorry guys, it's in Arabic. I will give 1 gigabyte enough. So I will make 1000 megabyte. Here we have CPU. CPU is 1 CPU enough, or you just can drag it here. Okay, then no, it's very far. It's better if you cross the red line. It means dangerous. Okay, then click next. Here is we are going to create our disk. So now it's saying 50. I don't need 50. I will just say 20. Okay, don't make any changes here down. Just click next. Then it's ready now. Machine name is Windows 10. The folder it's saved is Mohammed Zubair. We don't select ISO image. Okay, this is the hardware. Memory is 1 gigabyte. Processor is 1. Okay, disk is 20 gigabyte. Finish. Okay, so now it's not ready. Now we need to add the ISO files of Windows 10 so we can run Windows 10 in this virtual machine. So how we'll get ISO files? To get go to any internet browser, type here Windows 10 ISO file download. Yeah, go to this Microsoft website, download from directly from Microsoft website. Just click here. You will see download now. You just press here download. I already downloaded. I already have ISO files. I'll put this link in the description below for you. Okay, let's go to virtual machine. Let's press start. It will take time to come out. Yes. Yeah, This came out. So here you will choose the ISO files DVD. Other, I have it in the download folder. This is my ISO file, Windows 10. Then mount reboot. Okay. Now install in Windows 10. So I think it will take time, so I will make fast my video. So now Windows 10 is installed in this virtual machine. Guys, sorry, I think it will take time. This is simple installation that how to install Windows 10 initially. Okay, language install English, yeah, that's enough. Time format, okay, you choose type format where you are. Keyboard layout you choose, and then next, and install now. So we don't have product key, so we'll click I don't have product key. So now which window of editing you want download? I will download Windows 10 Pro. Choose. We have Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Home, and Windows 10 Education, Windows 10 Pro. So I will install Windows 10 Pro. Just next. Click next. Accept the license. And custom installation. We don't have any Windows previously in this virtual machine, so we'll choose custom installation. Then next. As you see, we have 20 gigabyte. Next. So now the installation starts. So I will stop this video here until this installation finish. Almost the installation finish. So restart now the machine. Okay, I will remove this CD here. Right click and remove. Okay, press any key. It will take time. So this is the way you add Windows 10 machine in VirtualBox. So you must have enough RAM and enough CPU, enough storage to run virtual machine. You can even run multiple software, multiple operating system. At least you used to have 8 GB RAM. Now the installation began. So choose the language. Choose the language you want to, and the region. I will choose United Kingdom. Then click yes. Takes a long time. Or skip some part of the video. Choose keyboard layout. This is United Kingdom as well. Next. Yes. And add layout if you want to know. I don't want to skip. So here you can choose you are downloading Windows 10 or install Windows 10 for organization or for personal use. So I will choose for setup for personal use because I'm using now for just for personal use. Okay, then next. Yes, now here we reach. So how you want to create your account in Windows 10? Microsoft now pushing everybody to create online. but now I will use offline account. Just click here, offline account. Now type your account name. I will say Mohammed, not Zubair Info. Zubair Tech Info. This is my YouTube channel, guys. Please subscribe. And then next, then you can type the password. No, I'm not going to write the password right now. I'll just say next. Here it will ask you if you want to open the location, or so this you can configure it later. So I will say no, accept. Find my device, all this you can do it later. No, I don't want, accept. So this is also you can do it later. Accept. No, accept. So even this one is also no, because I'm going to use offline. Advertising, something like this. Microsoft is pushing everybody to use their online account, so I already use offline, so I don't need this. If you want to configure it, you can configure it later after you already finish your installation. So as I said previously, just press click skip. If you want to enable Cortana is like a Siri or a Google Assistant, so I don't want, not now. You can configure it later, all this. As you see, guys, the installation done, completed. So it's asking me if I want to connect to the internet, so I will say yes. It is very slow, so because I am running multiple application, so it's very slow. Anyway, this is the Windows 10. This is Windows 10 machine in VirtualBox. Here is all application. Go to start menu. You will see all this. So here in this virtual machine, you can run anything. If you want to run the application that is dangerous for your computer, so you can run here and test. You can test everything. You do whatever things you want to do. If it's breaked, you can install it again. Doesn't affect your machine. That is amazing and good things about virtual machine. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like my YouTube channel. In the next video we'll see how we can change IP address, and we'll navigate a little bit. So for now, bye.